How to clear system storage on your Android device. First things first, you have to head to your phone settings. Then here you have to find device care. Now that you are here, let's head to storage. There is not a lot that you can do with system storage. As you can see, I have 12 GB on system, and this is automatic. Even if it's a brand new phone that you have, you'll still have a ton of system storage taking up your space. However, there is one solution for that. You have to head to software update. Back to settings, you have to scroll down. Now what you want to do is download and install the latest software version that is compatible with your device. My software is already updated to the latest version, but if you don't, then you just have to update it. Moving on, what else you can do is go to apps, and these are for the built-in apps that are on your device. These are the apps that you can't even delete from your phone. So what you can do is you can force stop them, or if it's an app that you do not use at all, then you want to go to storage and clear the data. You do this because you cannot delete the app from your device, so if you're not using it, then just go ahead and clear the data. These are some of the few ways on how you can clear system storage on your Android device. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.